Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where I share the best kitchen organization hacks and must-have gadgets that make everyday life simpler and more stylish. Today I'm reviewing the Auledio Iron 2-tier countertop fruit vegetables basket bowl storage with banana hanger in black. This versatile 64-ounce fruit stand is a countertop game changer for keeping produce fresh and organized. The purchase link is available in the description below. If your kitchen counter is cluttered with fruit bowls that bruise bananas too fast, attract fruit flies from moisture, or just look messy, this solves those problems beautifully. It keeps bananas hanging separately to ripen evenly without bruising against other fruits, while the two tiers separate apples, oranges, veggies, or even bread, so everything stays visible, accessible, and fresh longer. No more countertop condensation making fruit soggy. The three raised feet elevate it for airflow and cleanliness, and the smooth iron surface wipes clean easily without smudges. This Auledio 2-tier fruit basket with banana hanger stands out because it's not just storage, it's a smart, decorative solution. The novel 3-in-1 design lets you use it as a full 2-tier setup with a hanger, detach for a standalone fruit bowl, or remove the top for a single-tier option, perfect for adapting to your space or needs. Made from sturdy iron with a classic black finish, it adds a romantic, artistic touch to your kitchen while being practical. Assembly is tool-free and super quick, no drilling or wall mounts required, so you can set it up in minutes. Here are the standout key features I'll highlight. That versatile 3-in-1 design. Use as a 2-tier fruit basket with integrated banana hanger, a standalone bowl, or a single-tier option. Maximizes flexibility for different fruits, veggies, or even snacks like onions and potatoes. Upgraded structure for freshness. 3 raised feet keep everything off the counter to prevent moisture buildup. And bruising, breathable open design promotes airflow to extend produce life and reduce waste. Stylish and easy care iron build. Durable black ferric art finish looks elegant and decorative on any countertop. Smooth surface resists fingerprints and smudges for effortless cleaning. Plus easy no-tool assembly. I've had this Auledio countertop fruit basket in my kitchen for a while now, and it's transformed my produce routine. Bananas last way longer without brown spots from pressure. My apples and tomatoes stay crisp and visible so nothing gets forgotten in the fridge, and the whole setup looks premium, like a piece of kitchen decor rather than just storage. It's spacious, 11-inch diameter, 15 inches tall overall, yet doesn't take up too much room, holding plenty for a family or meal prep. Customers rave about its sturdiness, how it prevents bruising, and the attractive look that makes fruit inviting to eat. Real talk. Before this, my bananas would over-ripen touching other fruits, and veggies would roll around in a plain bowl. Now, everything's organized. The hanger keeps bananas perfect for smoothies or snacks, and the black iron adds a modern, romantic vibe that elevates my counter aesthetic. It's also a fantastic housewarming or kitchen gift, practical yet pretty. For anyone searching for the best 2-tier fruit basket with banana hanger, countertop fruit storage, or metal vegetable bowl, the Auledio delivers on durability, functionality, and style at an affordable price. It helps reduce food waste, keeps your kitchen tidy, and makes healthy snacking easier. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the description to get the Auledio Iron 2-tier countertop fruit vegetables basket bowl storage with banana hanger in black and bring instant organization and elegance to your kitchen. If you love this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more home hacks, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching. See you next time.